Hey, welcome to the channel. We're Amy and Richard. In 2019, we sold everything, left our jobs in Iowa, and took a huge leap of faith to move to Northwest Arkansas. We now live in a log cabin in the woods right outside the Ozark National Forest. We have a huge passion for exploring Arkansas. This channel started off as documenting our home videos. Now we just love sharing our off-roading adventures with y'all. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Instagram for extra content and notifications of our latest videos. So come along and watch what happens in this week's episode. It's always an adventure. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not. Later.
Morning, y'all. Getting ready to go for a ride today. And it's been raining for a while. We got the old Yamaha, so I have a wiper, put a little Rain X on. Hopefully that helps. We'll see. Help for a minute anyway. I think it's only supposed to rain about 9-ish or so and then taper off, so I'm gonna head to Spainhour Falls today. Got a little group going with us. Creek should be going. Rivers might be going. I might have to watch the direction I go. I had one route planned, but I may have to change that just a little bit because the river might be up too high, so we'll see. And it's really, really, really raining. Morning.
What you doing?
Out for a little ride today.
Ah.
Just got done raining really hard for a while.
It's Saturday, December 14th.
14th, yeah.
We survived Friday the 13th.
We did.
Woo! That was close.
It was.
Yeah.
It was a hell of a day at work, but I made it.
Okay. Anywho. So we're heading for a ride today. Look at this. We got the RMAX. We got the new tires on it. Where we going?
No dust today.
No dust. Look at this weather.
We're gonna go around here to Eden's, grab some breakfast.
We had a thunderstorm last night.
I know, it was lightning and thundering and everything. It was crazy.
So there's gonna be some, we need to go towards the creek crossings.
Yeah, that's where we're headed. So we're gonna go down, catch up with everybody, get our group together, get some breakfast, and I think we're gonna go to Spainhour Falls.
Spainhour Falls.
We haven't been there for a little bit, so it should be fun.
What? Yeah, when's the last time we were there?
Year?
No.
No?
We went there with Carlos and Sergio.
That's right.
In the RMAX.
In the RMAX.
Right after we got the new axle.
That's right.
Yeah.
That was a while ago.
It was a while ago. I want to say it was like spring.
Yeah, that sounds about right.
Yeah.
Something right here. But
That Spainhour is the trail that goes to a beautiful waterfall that has many, many creek crossings to get there.
And it's just a beautiful little trail with some good bluffs. And
how many miles away do you think that is?
Oh man, it's got to be from
50?
our house.
50, 60?
Probably 50, if I was
50?
to guess.
So we're going to have a good 120, 130, 140 mile a day, something like that?
30 at least.
Sweet.
Good.
But guess what?
What?
Ozark has all day, all night gas now.
I know, I heard.
So if we
that,
get in a pickle,
either way, we're going to top off there.
Yeah.
We know better.
Yeah, if we miss the time, it goes, we don't have a time frame now. That's
that
awesome.
Awesome.
Yeah.
I forgot about that.
Yeah. Well, what do you say?
Good little tip there.
I know. You ready to go get some grub?
I am. I'm starving.
Down at Eden's?
Yes. Yep.
Get your grub on?
Get your grub on.
All right.
Let's do this.
Stay tuned, man. You're not going to want to miss this video. It could be epic.
It's supposed to get sunny today.
Okay.
We'll see.
All right. We'll see about that.
Man, I hope so.
Yeah.
It'd be great.
Later. Way to go. Alright, here's the lineup today. Got a Razor, RMAX, we've got a Cowie, we've got twinsies, and two Polaris. We're like the odd man. The odd man Yamaha. We got Steph and Mike in the Cowie, Doug in the Ranger, Ken and Evelyn in the Cowie, and the Muff Pots in the Razor. You cooking today?
No, I brought cold.
It's kind of rainy, a little rainy. Should be a good ride. We are tracking this for y'all, so if you are interested in this track, come find us on the Patreon. Sign up and you can get anything you need over there, so stay tuned. It's going to be a fun day. It's supposed to clear up. I'll believe it when I see it. Later. All right, here we go. There they go. Just a wee bit moist.
A little bit.
Yeah.
I think it'll eventually sound pretty, right?
I don't know. Last time I checked, I wasn't gonna be here all with this.
No, me neither. It's supposed to stop at 10.
Oh. It's that.
It's 10.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, that's right. Little creek's going good. We might get through some deep water today, Juicy.
Yeah, I might,
Oh, man.
I'll change my route a little bit.
Maybe. Yeah.
Might not be able to cross any river.
I don't think so, man. This is awesome.
Maybe we just should.
Whoa. Probably just fell. Scooby-Doo stuff, man. One coming? Yep. Got the Danger Ranger.
Yeah.
Toilet paper in it.
Toilet paper in it.
Wow, it's foggy up here.
It's really heavy up here.
Oh man, this is epic. This is my kind of riding. We might see Bigfoot. Because they go out running. Or we might not see nothing. It's foggy.
Probably crazy around here riding in the rain with me. It's so fun.
Oh, it's the best. It is the best. This might be the best ride of the season.
All right.
The best ride of the year, right here.
Right, at least it's like not super cold
It's
out.
not. It's like nice. I mean, it's chilly. It's probably 50, but
It feels like winter.
if you dress right, you're good.
It's not bad.
Yeah. Man, but these hills and the fog, it is something else. It is an experience to be had.
It's all creepy looking.
Just don't. Oh man. She got wet. It is
I think it's gonna quit raining
yeah, looks like it.
tomorrow.
Yeah, maybe tomorrow.
I think it's actually raining harder now.
Yeah, it's raining pretty good. It's pretty froggy. There's some views out there, but you can't see nothing.
Running the ridge.
Running the ridge, yep.
I
French Creek.
Yes, sir. I totally agree. My favorite part right here.
That's the little Mulberry River right there. Still raining. Still raining.
Still raining. Creeks are rising.
Yep. Got a long way to go too.
Yep, we do.
Wow, look at all that. You can tell the river went through there. That big rain.
Oh, yeah, look at that.
Yeah. Holy moly. You can totally tell the river went through there.
I heard this was the bridge that was out.
Whoa. This is the bridge that was out? Oh, yeah, they definitely. Wow. Woo! That flash flood really hit this spot. Look at those trees growing on that rock. That's cool. Sweet. Stick my camera out there, it gets wet. A little bit of water over this.
Let me see it, man.
There we go. Ooh. Pretty little waterfall there. Just right here on the dirt road. Pretty. Finally got some water in these woods. Heck yeah, man. About dang time. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, hit that outlaw button.
A little bit outlaw.
A little bit. It's shortcut.
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 A little bit of shortcut.
Yes, shortcut. We're in a hurry. We got places to pee and
Yeah.
people to do.
Yeah, huh? Yeah, we got a place to go.
Places to be and people to do.
Uh-huh.
There's our friend. Oh, there's a car there. Hey, buddy.
Hey.
Ooh. All the little streams are
Going
going.
great today.
All the streams are streaming. Woo woo. All the streams are streaming. I like it. Car. Hey, call Ben Long if you want to buy this property. Squirrel. got the twins here, twin cowies. Danger Ranger here, rangering. Alright, all these beech trees.
Makes it look so forestry.
I know, I love it. I love the beech trees with the foggy. They just pop. Yeah. I wish our yard was full of beech trees.
That would be kind of cool in that.
Instead, we got a bunch of cedar, which everyone calls junk wood.
I think it's beautiful.
Yeah,
And the rest is all oak trees.
oak trees. This is a pretty road. I like it. Refreshing.
I'll make a good telephone pole.
Oh man, Bigfoot got PO'd and knocked that tree down. He's like, this is some bow SHIT. Just driving around the mountain here.
You know, circles in the woods.
You got anything clever to say?
Not yet.
Okay,
I've been thinking.
just working up to it.
Yep.
Gotcha.
Thinking. Really thinking.
I mean, don't hurt yourself.
Well, I'll better back down.
Yeah, you better slow down.
It is pretty out here, man.
It really is. I'm just so happy it's not like 30 degrees.
I know.
It's actually, I'm comfortable, not cold.
Sounds like we're supposed to have decent weather all the way up to Christmas.
I'll take that too.
That must have been like a weird cold snap we went through.
That was awful.
It was awful.
I was having Iowa flashbacks.
But yeah, work was crabby. let me
Oh
tell you.
yeah, I was bitching, and I'm from Iowa. Oh shoot dang. Shoot dang. Oh, we almost died. That was so scary. You almost tipped over.
No.
Although we shouldn't joke about that.
Yeah, don't not listen. It can happen. It has.
Yeah.
2 KRXs.
You say?
About 100 foot. 50 foot.
I've seen worse, but
Yeah, we have some more.
in the dark.
Yeah.
That's scary.
It was scary.
We're getting closer to Spainhour. So don't click out. Keep watching.
Right.
And if you like this video, give us a thumbs up.
Like and subscribe.
Well, that too.
That too.
Yeah.
Help keep us going.
Yep. If you want to see more adventures like this, you better do some work, man. Click, 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 click. Share it with your grandma. County Road 4411, man.
You lost yet?
You know where you're
Can't
at?
see nothing.
You know where you're at?
What's that?
You do know where you're at. Oh, that's because you got a map.
It ain't there anymore. I don't think so.
No, it's now a food truck.
Yeah.
It's Grumpy's food truck.
Grumpy's Burgers.
Yeah. Here comes the peeps.
The guy that owned Catalpa, he sold that and that's where he is now. Yep.
Oh, did he just drive by?
Didn't
you missed us. Ken, you missed us.
Hey, Ken. Did I pass you up?
Yes, sir.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Kawasaki KRXs.
it sound right, boy.